Bananas are one of the world's most beloved fruits, known for their sweet flavor, nutritional benefits, and versatility. But have you ever wondered how bananas go from the farm to the factory, or how they transform into those crispy golden banana chips we snack on? Today, we're going to take you on a detailed journey from seed to harvest and beyond, all the way to the making of delicious banana chips. The banana farming process. Bananas don't grow from seeds like many other fruits. Instead, banana plants are propagated using suckers or pups. These are small offshoots that sprout from the base of the main plant. These suckers are carefully selected and planted in nutrient-rich soil to start a new banana plant. Bananas need the right conditions to thrive: warm temperatures, plenty of water, and lots of sunlight. This is why banana farms are typically found in tropical climates, like those in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Central America. After planting, the banana plant takes about 9 to 12 months to reach full maturity. During this time, farmers must pay close attention to the plants, ensuring they're well-watered, fertilized, and protected from pests and diseases. Banana plants are heavy feeders. They require constant attention and care. Farmers often use organic fertilizers to enrich the soil, along with integrated pest management to keep harmful insects at bay. Harvesting the bananas. When the bananas are ready for harvest, workers carefully cut the bunches of bananas from the plants using machetes or specialized knives. It's important to handle the bananas with care at this stage to avoid bruising them. Bananas are usually harvested while they're still green. This allows them to ripen naturally during transportation and storage, ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. Once harvested, the bananas are packed into crates and transported to a packing facility or processing plant. Here, they'll be sorted by size and quality, and some will be sent directly to markets, while others will be used for processing into products like banana chips. Ripening and preparing bananas for sale. Bananas need to ripen properly before they reach consumers or go to processing factories. Ripening rooms are carefully controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and ethylene gas levels are adjusted to ensure even ripening. Ripening typically takes between 3 to 7 days, depending on the desired level of ripeness. The bananas will turn from green to yellow and eventually develop small brown spots, signaling they're ready for consumption. After ripening, the bananas are carefully sorted by size and quality. The highest quality bananas are sent to the market for fresh consumption. Making of banana chips. Now let's move on to the exciting part: how bananas are turned into the crispy, delicious chips we love. The process begins at the factory, where bananas that didn't make the cut for fresh sale are transformed into a popular snack. In the factory, the first step is peeling the bananas. This can be done manually or with specialized peeling machines, which make the job faster and more efficient. Once peeled, the bananas are sliced into thin, uniform rounds. These slices need to be just the right thickness. Too thick, and they won't crisp up properly. Too thin, and they may burn during frying. After slicing, the banana pieces are soaked in a mixture of water and salt. This helps preserve the bananas and enhances their flavor, giving them that distinct savory taste. Now the real magic happens: frying. The banana slices are deep fried in hot oil, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature quickly crisps the slices, turning them golden brown and delicious. Once the chips are fried to perfection, they're carefully removed from the oil and drained to remove any excess grease. Quality control, packaging, and final product. Before packaging, the chips go through a rigorous quality control process. Workers inspect each batch, ensuring that only the crispiest and most flavorful chips make it into the bags. Any chips that are damaged or imperfect are discarded. Once approved, the banana chips are packed into airtight bags to lock in freshness. The bags are sealed and ready for shipment to stores around the world. After packaging, the banana chips are distributed to retailers, where they make their way into your snack cupboard. And there you have it, from the farm to your table. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed learning about the banana production process, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth behind-the-scenes tours, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, take care and keep snacking.